So with the goods, I just like taking something simple and kind of taking it and making a twist to it in a sense. Like for the banana bread, I didn't want to just do like normal banana bread. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I wanted to try something different recently, so I caramelized the bananas before mixing everything together
Oh,
with brown sugar, and then I added some vanilla and maple syrup. And then I mixed it all together so it has that caramelly taste onto the bananas.
okay.
Um, so that's kind of, I just like making something a bit more to myself, I guess, to call it my own. And I've realized I've done that with almost everything I've baked at this point. I have a customer who actually her and her family gets a dessert a week, and she
Oh, wow.
loves getting new stuff. So I get to experiment with new recipes and things I might want to try. And I love it because she's giving me that opportunity to just really test out things I've been wanting to try. And
Right.
um, one of the things I made her family was cinnamon roll scones because one day I wanted to make cinnamon rolls, but I didn't want to actually make them. Um, so then I just decided to make the filling that I usually do for my cinnamon rolls, but stuff it into my scone and layer that filling into the scone. And then I made a vanilla bean icing with the actual vanilla beans, so you get that pop of flavor on
Yeah.
top. And she loved it. And then I've sold a good bit of those since. I bring them to the markets since they're pretty popular.
And that's the one that I tried. It was scones, and I'm like, these aren't your typical scones because they weren't the same, texture and stuff. And I'm like, but I really like these. And it wasn't just cinnamon. Did you have lavender in that one too?
No, it was brown sugar.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I really enjoyed that, and it was a little bit different. That it was like a combination scone and a cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
I love how the layers turn out. I always end up taking a picture before I even bake them off of just how pretty they look.
right,
Because you can really see that the filling in each layer as you fold it in. So it's
right.
nice.
So great. And